Today we go back to National Palace Mall and go look at some beautiful architecture and some fake shoes because they got so much fake shoes. It's me and the homie, we walking in right now. There's my boy Takai right there. They're still looking for size 13 shoes if you remember from the last video. See, he's saying Doze Treze. He's like, oh, upstairs. That's where you can find these shoes at. So look, if you look around us, these are all replica shoes. Replica sneakers, Jordans, Adidas, Balenciagas. They have everything in there. Name it, they have, look at that, Puma, Under Armour, Converse. They got everything. Okay. Yep. They always be stopping us when we're in these malls. It's crazy. They got replica hats. They had everything in there, man. Look at this, all these shoes are available, man. It's crazy, it's actually crazy. This is located in Centro, in Medellin. If you ever want to go and check it out. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. They're always trying to get us to their store. And then we tell them like size 12, 13, they don't have it. And you feel like a piece of meat in here.
It's going.
We keep on screaming out 13, looking for size 13. This is the one thing about this mall. Look at the beautiful view. 3, 2, 1. Crazy. It feels like we're in a Venetian palace in the middle of Europe somewhere, and this is in the middle of South America, which makes it crazy. Look at this beautifulness. Wow. In this mall, you can basically get anything you need apparel-wise. You can get shirts, you can get anything. You can get even custom stuff done. Right now, we're on the way to this one guy that always has the shoes. And always has the bigger sizes and the most authentic guy of the replicas. We're about to walk in here today, but they had some customers. They didn't want us to record, so I'm just gonna show us walking in and us walking out. Bye. See you, love. They got the Way jersey on. I think they didn't get anything that they wanted, didn't have the size. So we're gonna go check out some other spots. Look at this. Tell me this is not beautiful. It's a 5. Wow. If you haven't, go check me out on Instagram. It's gonna be right in the corner right here. Boom. Look how beautiful that is. Hi. So you can get soccer jerseys, all type of stuff in here. NBA jerseys, everything. Beautifulness. The one thing about Colombia I love as well. I'm just waiting for this construction to go away. One thing I love about Colombia is that the janitorial system, they really would be wiping, cleaning, and keeping this pristine and amazing. That's our boy Donkey Rap right here. He's getting some clothes. Tell Marcus about to show you ass. Look at this architecture right here. Sky, what should I do? I gotta look at this stuff right here. This is beautiful.
Shit like the Coliseum.
Beautiful.
It's tough.
They're shooting a music video.
See you later, Donkey Rap. Literally like a Coliseum. Literally everything you want in here. All the fake bling you want, everything available. Oh. She must walk into the camera. There's another shoe store. He's asking him about the bigger sizes, and he's like, sorry, I don't have them. We're gonna pause at 8:12. This place is actually dope, man. I believe it's a historic site. It used to be offices, and they took them and made it into a mall.
Grandes, camisetas grandes acá. ¿Está firmado?
She said big sizes, big sizes. He's big. These boys are big. right back to the shoe area. That's where it gets busy. He's got all the shoes in the suitcase. That's crazy to me. So did Marcus end up getting shoes? Nope. But we're gonna try again in another video. See you guys soon. Peace.